ChatGPT Plus is an advanced AI language model that offers a wide range of language-related capabilities, such as chatbot creation, content generation, and language translation. However, like any software product, ChatGPT Plus can benefit from regular upgrades and improvements to its user interface. One way to upgrade the user interface of ChatGPT Plus is to focus on improving the user experience, UX. This can involve redesigning the interface to make it more intuitive, user-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing. For instance, adding more visual elements, such as icons and graphics, can help users navigate the interface more easily and understand the various features and capabilities of the model. Another way to upgrade the user interface of ChatGPT Plus is to add more customization options. This can involve giving users more control over the appearance and behavior of the interface, such as the ability to choose different color schemes or adjust the font size. Additionally, allowing users to customize the interface can help to create a more personalized experience that better aligns with their preferences and needs. In addition to UX improvements and customization options, another way to upgrade the user interface of ChatGPT Plus is to focus on accessibility. This can involve adding features that make the model more accessible to users with disabilities, such as text-to-speech functionality or keyboard shortcuts. Ensuring that ChatGPT Plus is accessible to all users can help to create a more inclusive and diverse user base. Finally, one key consideration when upgrading the user interface of ChatGPT Plus is to ensure that any changes are made in a way that is compatible with existing workflows and systems. This can involve working closely with users to understand their needs and preferences and ensuring that any updates are implemented in a way that does not disrupt their existing workflows or cause any compatibility issues. In conclusion, upgrading the user interface of ChatGPT Plus involves a combination of UX improvements, customization options, accessibility features, and compatibility considerations. By prioritizing these factors, developers can create a more intuitive, user-friendly, and accessible interface that better meets the needs of a diverse user base.